A live look outside right now. Storms helping keep the mercury from skyrocketing today, but tomorrow will be a different story.
That it will. And CBS 2's Jeremy Ross is live with the things we can all be doing to make sure we're not getting ripped off with skyrocketing AC repair bills. Jeremy.
And good evening, Brad. Good evening, Erica. This air conditioning unit was recently checked out and it was given a clean bill of health. Now, as a result, take a look at all the gunk and debris that was removed from inside. This can certainly be a very dirty job, and finding the right person to do it can be a big question.
I'm not looking forward to it.
The forecast is for consistent heat. But will the air conditioning hum as consistently?
The unit, needs to be kept up at all times.
Jose Cruz is trying to get ahead of the summer swelter.
The temperature should be pretty cool coming out of this. This looks okay.
Getting an annual check of his system.
Minus the temperature right here.
Because not doing so in the past with a different company has been too costly.
This tells me that it's working just fine.
You feel like you've been taken advantage of in the past?
Yes.
If they walk in and the first thing the guy says, it's no good, we need a new one, that's not the company you want.
Paul Rontos teaches subjects including air conditioning repair at Coyne College.
Is the wiring corroded? Replace that fan motor on the top. Do we see oil leakage down here at these fittings?
He says some questions consumers should ask when dealing with air repair include:
can I call you and have you come back? Are you going to come back? Are you going to guarantee it? And of course, what kind of money? We need to know the money up front.
In addition to asking how often your unit needs its air filters changed and system serviced, be sure to get a second opinion if you receive a high-dollar repair quote.
And this is your cold line right here.
As for how to select a repair person,
Better Business Bureau. Word of mouth to me is very good.
not doing so can cost you comfort and plenty of cash.
Keep up with these units. Do not wait till the last minute till the thing breaks down, because it's going to cost you an arm and a leg to get it going back the way it was.
Some additional notes on air condition repair. If a person tries to sell you a unit more than trying to repair it, or if they use sort of a pressure tactic in sales, odds are you probably need to find a new repair person. Live in Gilwood, Jeremy Ross, CBS 2 News.